Welcome back. Today, we're going to clean this bad rider out because I want to get at the air tank that's under the jump seat. So, and it's disgusting. Ugh. So, first, figure out what we got here. Some of this. Let's see. Chunk of hose. Stay lube 8590 multi-purpose gear oil. Huh. That's for the dump. Put that there. This guy. Engine cover. I don't want to lose that. Oh, we got a gasket. New gasket for something. I'm not sure. Not sure exactly what though. Recognize that? You know what that's for? No money. Damn. Alright. Window crank. That's not broken. Maybe somebody can use that on a general project here. The other one's broken. I'm guessing. Well, I don't know what the hell it's off of. Let's see here. Johnson speaker. A rock. Throw that out when you're on the scale, maybe get a couple extra tons of grain, pounds of grain, I mean. Pounds, tons. Huh, that's different. Good. Let's see. Some sort of blown up hose. Fresh cab mouse repellent. And another one. Oh, what do we got here? Sort of weather stripping. Oh. All right, so I have been taking out some more of the little detailed stuff after I got all the floor cleaned up and everything. I'm taking out some of the trim plastic and everything, and I just kind of got into it and decided that we might as well pull the headliner out while we're at it. So I didn't want to bore you with the details of all the other stuff, but I figured you might enjoy watching me try to drop this probably kind of nasty headliner on my head. So that's what we're gonna do. To be totally honest, that really wasn't that bad. That really wasn't that bad at all. Well, that's good. I guess we can go back to time lapse, and I'm gonna break out the vacuum again, I guess. Cool.
Hey, young bandit. Nice ass.
All right, well, we got our interior pretty much as gutted as we're gonna go. Headliner's down. Most of the trim that's gonna come off is off. All the crap is off the floor here. Actually not in as bad a shape as I was expecting it to be. But the whole reason I went after doing that is because our air compressor is right there, and something's giving us fits with that. I think it's probably the governor, but I gotta get into troubleshooting that. But I was not gonna lay on that gross floor and in this gross cab any more than I had to. So the only reason I'm not going farther on disassembling the interior is because hopefully we'll make this thing run and drive before we really tear it down. But so yeah, that's what we got. We got one interior that's pretty much cleaned out. I'm pretty happy with it. I even took the for sale sign off the windshield. So yeah, I'm gonna go kill that headliner with fire, and we'll see you next time.